What is up, guys? This is Justin. In this video, I'm going to show you how we buy and sell reselling things online to make some money. This is my wife's side hustle. We started out by going to garage sales and thrift stores, buying things that were undervalued, flipping them online to make money. And now today we've side hustled our way all the way up to buying pallets of merchandise in LA, where we buy new overstock, returns. There's all different kinds of merchandise. It can be new, it can be used, it can be damaged, it can be in perfect condition. So it's exciting to go see what we can get. So we buy these pallets in LA, we sell them on Mercari, eBay, offerUp, Amazon, all over the place. So I'm going to take you through the process of how we buy it, how we list it online, and then how much money we actually make profit from this. So it's going to be a couple videos long. If you guys want to sit back, relax, subscribe so you don't miss the next video. So let's get right into it. So the plan is we are going to LA right now. We're on our way to go pick up the pallet. We're gonna go inside the warehouse. We're gonna search. I mean, there are hundreds of pallets, so we're gonna be able to dig and like go in there and see which ones we like, which ones we don't like. And hopefully we'll lock down one or two, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go pick up a U-Haul. We're gonna load up in the U-Haul. Last time we went, we had a truck. This time we went on the truck, so we have a U-Haul. We're gonna load up the U-Haul. We're gonna go home and open it up. So here we go. Ow, it's hot. Oh, God. It was so hot. Alright, guys, so we are torn between this one. This is a Target return for $300. It looks okay from the top. There's some cool things in here like that. There's so much pallets. I mean, oh my goodness, dude. So we go through one. So we're stuck on either this one for $2.99 or this one. No, this one. It was. Is it this one? This one. All right, this one. We like this one because it has like this super nice clock. There's a super nice pendant light. Scales. There's a ton of stuff. Yeah. So we already picked up another pallet that was all full of phone cases, so I'll show you guys that here in a sec. These are the phone cases, and I mean there's so many. There's 300. There's let's see, 300 units. They're $1.50 a piece. Wireless chargers, dash mounts, boom for hire car. So not bad. What's up, guys? All right, so we are back. We just picked up the U-Haul. Right here, it's super crappy. So dirty. Do not go to LA to get a U-Haul. We're back at the warehouse. We're about to load up the U-Haul right now. We got 2 pallets. Doing it up. We spent what? We spent $450 on one and then $299 on the other. So that's a total of $750 for the pallets, for the merchandise. We're going to count all the items, but I think we have probably close to 600 items. So last time we bought the pallets, our cost was about $1 to $1.50 per item. You can sell anything for $1, like, so you can't go wrong, right? Right. We're going to load it up right now. We're going to go home and we're going to unbox it and see how it came out. So here we go. All right, guys, so we are back with the U-Haul. We got all the merchandise in the pallet. So right now we're gonna unbox it, go piece by piece. Probably gonna fast forward through some of it so you have to sit through all of it, but here we go. There are some broken things. Like this is just like completely mangled. Well, I hope you guys can see this, but it's broken, so it's just trash. Some of the things are just trash, you know? It's returns, so it's not perfect. Mattress pad for someone that's backpacking. There's quite a few rugs in there. Oh, nice. I wish my phone wasn't.
We should keep that.
I know, we have this problem where every time we go and get a pallet, we're like, wow, we'll take that. That's nice. We need that. So here's one that's Century Safe. These are like $90, aren't they? I would say they're like $100. So the pallet was $300. So there's $100. I know we've been wanting one, but we probably won't keep it. Normally I would check the prices on Amazon, on eBay, on my phone, because we sell things on Amazon when it makes sense. eBay, Mercari is a big one for us now, and just kind of all over the place. So OfferUp, garage sales, however we could sell it, we sell it. Oh, these are cool. Oh, these are these weights.
I am not shipping that.
Oh my gosh. Can you guys see this? These weights that are like removable, you get to turn and pick like 5, or you pull out, you can pick 10. Or... Oh, those are heavy. Those are expensive. I want to say those are like $50. Let's see if we can take you guys, get a sneak peek of what's going on inside there. All right, guys, well, we were pulling the pallet out of the U-Haul, and well, we dropped it. So we're gonna pick it up. I'm not gonna make you guys watch this because this is sad. So many phone cases on the ground. All right, so we're finished cleaning up. So we got this box, that box, all these over here, this box, this box, this box, this box, this bag, that box. I mean, we have so many phone cases. Oh my gosh. We're gonna sell All right, guys, so we finished the garage sale. It was a huge success. We made close to like over $500. Huge success. We were so happy with how it went. I would say we only sold about like a quarter of the stuff that we have. So that pays for one pallet. All right, guys, it has been 2 weeks and 2 days since we bought the pallet. We've been just meticulously organizing, listing, getting everything up and running so that we can start getting sales and everything's coming in. So before we end this video, I thought I would share with you how much profit we made so far and how much we're doing. So I do want to let you guys know that it takes a long time. When you get these pallets, you have hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of items that you have to organize, list, categorize, taking pictures of them, getting them listed on the site. It takes so much time up front, but we like to have at least 100 listings on each of our platforms, OfferUp, Amazon, eBay, Mercari. I like to have 100 listings so that at every, when we have about 100 listings, that's where we like to be. You get about 1 sale a day, sometimes 2, sometimes 3, sometimes none, but usually you get a sale every day if you have about 100 active listings. And so that's where we like to be at. But it takes a long time taking the pictures, getting them ready, tagging them, doing research, seeing how much things are worth. It just takes a lot. So at first, there's a lot of a lot of work you put in at first, but once the ball gets rolling, it's kind of like a snowball, and it rolls downhill and it builds up, and it's smooth sailing from here on out. So since we've got the pallet 2 weeks and 2 days ago, we've been selling online, and we've been selling, we had a garage sale. So first I want to go over the garage sale. We haven't had a garage sale in a while, so we had our garage full of stuff, our driveway full of stuff, but it also was stuff from the previous pallet, some things that weren't worth selling online, $1 or $2. It doesn't make sense to ship something that's worth $2 and it's gonna be $3 shipping. So we save it and we send it out a garage sale. So there were some items from the last pallet. There were a majority of it was stuff from this pallet that wasn't worth selling online, or we thought we could get what we wanted for it at the garage sale. And there were also some things actually that were just around our house that we don't use anymore. So we sold that. Some of those things. So in total for the garage sale, we made $405. Not bad for a few hours. We woke up at 6:30. We were done at 11:30, 4 hours, $450. Cannot beat that. So $405 so far. And mind you, the total cost of the pallets were $750. So we've got $400. Didn't even nearly sell. I mean, we still have tons and tons and tons and hundreds of items. So online, it's slow starting, but we've sold a total of 22 items so far, mostly phone cases. The phone cases and the pop sockets in there are like flying off the shelves. Just a little note, if you guys want to buy any of this stuff, I'm going to leave a link to the Mercari store below. If you guys want to support us, you can go ahead and buy all this stuff. I'll leave a link in the description. So from those 22 items, we grossed $380 in sales. Not bad, almost $400 in gross profits, but that's before Mercari or eBay takes any fees. That's before shipping costs, and that's before the cost of the item. So after everything's said and done, we've made $231 on our online sales. So in total, we made $631 so far in 2 weeks. That's not bad. Passive income, not really passive income. It's actually a lot of work, but we've made $631 as a side income coming in the last 2 weeks since we bought the pallet. So about another $120 and we'll be at break even. And I mean, look at this stuff. You guys want to see this? I mean, look at how many phone cases we still have. I mean, there's probably just like hundreds. I mean, there's so much. Oh my gosh. The pallets were $750. We've made $630. I mean, we have hundreds of items left. We'll more than double our money on these pallets. And I really didn't think these two were the greatest. The last ones we got were way, way better. So these ones were at least going to double our money. We more than tripled our money on the last 2 pallets that we bought. So if you guys like this type of content, let me know. If we get 50 likes on this video, I'm going to make another one, and I'll actually do a giveaway in the next video if we get 50 likes. So smash the like button, hit subscribe if you like this channel, like this type of content. I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.